Alright, welcome to 6:40 a.m. The Mix. And I'm filming this in reverse order. This is the arrival, but it's also going to be the intro. This is going to be another edition of the Travel and Leisure section here on the channel, and we're going to be taking a look at Marine Air Terminal at LaGuardia Airport. It's a historic part of LaGuardia Airport. I'm going to put some graphics up on the screen. This terminal goes way back and one of the first to open in LaGuardia. We're going to do a plane spotting, as well as we're going to check out Spirit Airlines, which is the current tenant here at Marine Air Terminal, which is Terminal A in LaGuardia Airport. And that's coming up next. Spirit bag terminal and exit. Welcome Center, Port Authority. Taxi, Ubers, general parking. Stephen Morales Way for pedestrians. Here's the backside of the Marine Terminal. Back in the 30s, Pan Am used to launch flights from the actual water, and I'll show you that coming up next. Plane spotting. It's a Airbus A320 Spirit, parked at gate number 6. Tail number 5684. All right, there you have it. Okay, there you have it. A tour of Marine Terminal, LaGuardia Airport, New York, as well as some plane spotting at the Spirit Terminal at the Marine Terminal, LaGuardia, New York. Thanks for watching. Comment below, and we'll catch you on the next video right here on 640 AM The Mix, New York's only home for house, techno, and plane spotting.